Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to my panels, Professor Kumrul, Dr. Shahriza and Dr. Shahadan. My name is Hishamuddin bin Osman, B0516100046, and my supervisor is PMIR Dr. Muhammad Ashadi Azam bin Muhammad Abid. And my title is Structural Characterization and Nanoscale Analysis of Polyaniline Graphene Oxide, or PGO, Nanocomposite. For the introduction, supercapacitor play an important role, which is a storage device. This supercapacitor have drawn worldwide interest because of its long life cycle and high electrochemical performance. From the journal Huang 2018, it said the polyaniline graphene oxide nanocomposite have emerged as an ideal choice as promising electrode material. The figure shows the working principle of supercapacitor. So for my problem statement, there are three. First one is low surface area of PANI, which is PANI electrode lack of long-term stability. The second one is poor cycling performance of PANI, which is efficiency of conductivity for PANI is decreased. And the last one is graphene oxide is less pi-to-pi stacking stable, poorly conductivity. This is technically not specifically used for supercapacitor. So my final project is to conduct an experiment of PANI-GO nanocomposite. For my objective, first one is to synthesize polyaniline graphene oxide nanocomposite. The second one is to analyze the crystal structure, surface morphology and chemical properties for GO, PANI and PANI-GO nanocomposite. My scope is preparation of APS-GO PANI by in situ synthesis. And then the PANI-GO will be divided into three, which is PGO30, PGO50, and PGO70. And then to characterize crystal structure of the sample by using X-ray diffraction, XRD, use Raman to study the chemical properties of the sample, and then SEM, scanning electrode microscopy, to investigate the structure of the sample. For my literature review, I divided into four: graphene oxide, polyaniline characterization, and polyaniline GO nanocomposite. For example, graphene oxide, the layer of graphene oxide includes several functional groups: carboxyl, hydroxyl, and epoxyl. And then this is the result from the journal. For example, SEM of PANI-GO and PANI-GO composite from the May 2016. From the SEM of A, which is PANI nanoscale agglomerate together just like flower with the average diameter of 200 mm. Agglomerate means allows material to collect in a mass. And then for SEM B, which is GO exhibit an overlap lamella structure with obvious wrinkles. Lamella means composed of fine and alternating layer of different material. And then for the C, PANI scale were uniformly coated on the surface and edge of crumpled GO sheet. And then this is XRD on GO, PANI-GO and pure PANI from Manoj 2017, and XRD also from the Tang 2017. This XRD is to study the crystal structure of the sample. For the chapter 3, which is methodology, I have synthesized the GO, PANI and PANI-GO nanocomposite in the lab. So for part A, I firstly synthesize the GO, and secondly, I will synthesize the PANI-GO nanocomposite. This PANI-GO nanocomposite is in a slurry form, and then we coated on a nickel form. Furthermore, This is the ratio of PANI-GO. So from the table preparation of PANI-GO nanocomposite, we divided by 3. From the first sample is PANI-GO 70, means the ratio is 70% for GO and 30% for PANI. And then second sample is PGO 50, which is 50% of GO and 50% of PANI. And then the third one is PGO 30, means 30% of GO and 70% of polyaniline. And from the left table, this is a preparation of GO. And then for my chapter 4, which is result and discussion, the first one is X-ray diffraction. From this graph, I am labeled one by one, such as GO, PANI, PGO 70, PGO 50, and PGO 30. This XRD diffraction is to study the crystal structure, and we detect the peak to characterize the crystal structure. For GO, sharp peak diffraction can be found at 11.01 degree and 42.79 degree, respectively, for crystalline plane 002 and 100. So these two peaks represent that the exfoliate of GO due to attachment of oxygenated group, means the graphite is successfully turned into the GO. And then for the PANI pattern, show that 20.7 degree and 25.58 degree corresponding to 020 and 200 crystal plane. Two peaks can be observed which semi-crystalline nature of the polymer is indicated. And for the PGO's graph, which is PGO 70 and PGO 50, also PGO 30, the GO were lost in 11.01 degree but shifted to 42.79 degree. And then semi-crystalline of PANI is not maintained in PGO as there is no peak at 20.7 and 25.58 degree as the graph of PANI. And then for Raman spectroscopy, which is to study the chemical properties of the sample. And then the graph is quite same with the XRD. The same is for the vertical axis, which is intensity. The difference is horizontal axis, as the Raman use the wave number. Then for GO graph, two peaks can be analyzed at 1344.2 wave number and 1578.4 wave number, matching with the G-band of sp2 hybridized carbon and defect or H field of band D. For PANI, the values of the peak are 1573.1. For the quinoid rings, C stretching vibration and 1340 wave number for the delocalized polaronic structures stretching vibration supporting the doped state of PANI. Then the Raman active G-band as contrast with the parent GO changed to 1585.5 wave number in the PGO30 nanocomposite spectra. And for the last one is result discussion, which is scanning electron microscopy or SEM. This is a review journal from GUI 2014. And the picture is from A, B, C, D, and E. A is for GO, graphene oxide. B is for PANI, polyaniline. And C, DE is a PGO in different ratio. For example, C is for 10 to 1, D 100 to 1 and E 1000 to 1. And then from figure A, the graphene oxide has a good fold structure and a larger surface area. Furthermore, some representative scanning electron microscopy image of different PNiGO composite from C to E compared to that polyaniline in B show that cascading structure of polyaniline still exists and the overall appearance of composite is not bigger. Then for the conclusion, supercapacitor are really good device for now and future as we need a long life cycle energy storage that we can save the environment and money to spend. Secondly, preparation of PNiGO nanocomposite was really hard to maintain its precaution and step as we need to be careful during the experiment because any defect of the nanocomposite or injury for me or both could happen anytime. And the last one is the result should be compared with previous journal and article to see the properties and characteristic of our result so that we could define an analysis in a good ways. Thank you.